8:30 right now. Just down here at the river. Been using the surface. Beautiful day here.
Yeah. Been getting a few.
They're catching a couple of natives. Hopefully we can catch some bigger.
Yeah.
But stay tuned.
Yep. Nice one. Nice. Please.
Peace to the boost from New York to LA. Power to the people that struggle every day. Peace to the boost from New York to LA. I get paid for my guys' sensation. Peace to the boost from New York to LA. Power to the people that struggle every day. Peace to the boost from New York to LA. I get paid for my guys' sensation. Peace to the boost from New York to LA. Power to the people that struggle every day. Peace to the boost from New York to LA. I get paid for my guys' sensation. Peace to the boost from New York to LA. Power to the people that struggle every day. Peace to the boost from New York to LA. And all that bombs.
Oh, oi, oh.
No, I'm not on. Nah. I got buffed there and then I got buffed here.
Oi, that sounded big. Oi.
Hello.
Wait, Tom, keep going. Yes, Tom. Yes, Tom. Wait, Tom. Oi, I got that one. Oi, he's a good one. Oh, he's not too bad. Oi, he buffed you 3 times. Oi. Oh, he's engulfed it. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah.
Nice one.
Second fish. Oh, he'd be almost low 50s.
This rain's good, I think.
Wait, bring out pliers because he's fairly. I do, yeah. Liam, have you got some?
Mine are like at the bottom.
I've got some.
Yeah. Pro. You good?
Yeah.
Do you want to lay him down? And then, yeah. First on surface, let's go, Tom. Okay. Oh, I'll come over here. Righto. When you're ready, yeah.
Nice cod off the top. Nice cod off the top.
Everywhere.
Pro. Good job.
Wait,
Nice. Oh, he's a pro. I think.
2 fish, both on the surface.
Yeah.
I'm trying to catch one underneath the water now.
Yeah. But on the surface, how sick was that? Wait, and I got the GoPro video, so.
It was like 3 or 4 buffs.
3. The third one, he got it.
Yeah.
And he engulfed it. Oh. I knew there'd be one sitting in there. Come on, buddy. Hey boys, got one. Nice little. try. Liam got one off the top up there as well. Nice little fella on the hunchback. Surely on the downside of that log.
Give us a gaze, Ruben. Oui. Work it out.
Hey Ruben, go again. Go again, Ruben. Hey, can you reel it in? Wait, I'll put it in just here in the spot. Yeah, go. Bro, what just happened? Oi. Oi, Liam. Ruben casted. The lure went under the water and Ruben got... Bro, oi, Mason, I didn't even get it on GoPro.
Straight away. Oi. It went straight under and there was a massive buoy. Oi, come on. I got it on mine. Where is it? No.
Let's go.
Ruben back. How much? Oi, Ruben, how much was this lure?
Free, found it.
Found this lure. Not bad.
2 for the day.
Yeah. Oh, you reckon you need pliers? Do you need pliers?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah. Ruben back.
Yeah, go.
Nice cod. Cod.
Was that you? Get in there, Ruben. Go, Ruben. Exact same spot, babe. Oi. Oh, he cast it in there again. He's yours, Ruben. I thought that was another one. No. It'll still be there. It cast yours a couple more times. No, yeah, reel that in, then I'll see, because it didn't look that big. Where do you reckon it was then?
No. Oh, I'm still recording. Go. Get him moving. Get him moving. Get the dog moving. Get him. Bang. I'm casting one down. Come on. Oh, I should have cast it further. Damn it. And then a 70 comes out there. Probably wet. Mint. Why have you got your wallet in your pocket?
Nice cod.
I ran out of storage. Oh!
Oh! You're in my toe!
Amazing casting the savage. Look. On the savage gear.
Same sort of size, I think. Oh, that's a bit better.
That's better than 50.
Oh yeah, probably 55 or so.
I reckon.
It's good lip.
First fish of the day. Nice cod here. 50 model.
Dropped him. I was not paying it. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at my rod because I thought it was hitting the. Bruh. Well, I think it felt hooks, so it's squishy fishy, it's double Colorado with a black squishy fishy plastic. Oh, it might have been just that stick, I don't know. I think it was a fish though. Yep. Yep. On the drop. Yep. Oh, that was cool. Squishy fishy. Oh, wait, that's good fish.
No, it's not.
Wait, I got it.
We've got little fish.
It's just swinging.
Yeah, there we go.
No, the lip grips are snagged on your lure.
Like a full line.
Oh, yeah, this is a good one. But I thought it was bigger because of the snag.
It's still alright, but it's like. Oh, yeah.
Not a bad fish. Squishy fishy spinnerbaits.
So you want to get underwater release?
What, do you hop underwater?
No, I'm not doing that. That was.
Hey, take the lip grips. Oh, you got your phone? I might have enough storage to take a photo. Yeah.
I'm gonna let it go. Yeah, nice cut here just on the squish fishy spinnerbait. Nice one.
With the like splash of.
Oh yeah, like them dot looking.
Yeah.
Sure you don't get snagged on these on that paddle, dude. Maybe that's what protects the elbow.
What? The reeds?
Yeah.
I'll cast right in front of them. What do you have to say about yourself?
Scan, what's it doing?
Oh, it's not that far off your. It's not that far off your leader. Bro. It's meant to be deep here, what the hell? Yeah, Liam. Nah. Oh, well, I saw it once. You'd already hooked out of it. Oh, you pro.
I jammed him.
Yeah, I saw you
On the
cast
drop.
in there and went bang, and I was like, and then.
I felt him hit me when it was sinking. I just
Oh, so. Oh, you need where you go, pro.
Oh, look at that hook. Oh, it went through his eye.
Photo. Wait, what? What did you say?
But it hits the ground so much. So shallow. Like, you hit the ground?
It just bounced over a log.
No, there's that many. I'm actually serious. There's so many. And you think they're fish, but there's so many. Oh.
Oh, yes. Wait, is it a good one?
Yeah, I do now.
Wait, I'll get lip grips.
No.
What is that? Oh. Oh. Stunt trouble? You got a bit of. Score. Stunt trouble? You got a bit of a tail on him. Too bad of a fish.
See.
But you still need to put your thumb in there.
Yeah.
Hey, let me put. Hey, have you got your phone, Ruben?
But we can go to the.
The big Mars. Wait, no, I can get an in-water release.
Huh?
with my phone.
Yeah. Number 11. And I'll get a double hook up here. I'll try and get one too.
You got it?
Yeah. What does it look like?
faster.
Oh, you dog.
Lucky that's loaded.
Stop doing that. Don't do that, mister. Oh, thanks. I don't know
Actually, wait, stay there because I'll give them back to you.
where the house is gonna go. Right, we gotta get.
Now take the other trip.
Wait, hold on to it, mate. No way you said I'll get a double and then you actually did.
Are with the lures, you reckon? Are with the lures? Oh, yeah.
Wait, get a photo of you holding both of them. Oh, either of you.
Oh yeah, actually yeah, you should do that.
Few Curados in the wild. Double release.
You got the video.
Ready?
Oh, you got one too. Hey, get.
Okay.
Nice cod.
Oh, yes, Tom.
Yes, Tom. Number 12.
No, isn't that 13? Because Mason was 11 and you got 12. Yeah. Want some line out.
Some fish of the day.
Wait, have you got your phone, Mace?
Mine's in my bag.
Oh yeah, I'll grab it. Aiden, you just got the stars on Don't Jump in the background? Okay. I mean, Mace, how many fish have we got?
12.
12? I think it's 13.
Is it?
Well, Matt, yours was 11, and Liam got 12 on that double, then Tom got 13. Get old. I want to catch a big cod.
Not about the lure, it's about the fishing.
Oh, yep. Yeah. Spinnerbait.
This thing is not.
Squishy fishy spinnerbait. Doing it again.
Yeah. Nice cod here on the orgy. The boys. Yeah. Nice one on the pink orgy.
Number what?
Number 3 for me.
No,
Missed.
we're like 17, 16
Missed.
for today.
Missed 3 on surface anyway.
Off she
See you
goes.
later, mate. 100 mil cod. Whoa.
Alright, I just got back from a small foot mission this morning with the boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, ended up with 20 all up. Liam got the most. Pretty good session.
Fair few on surface,
Yeah,
some
Good.
subsurface.
good start to the morning, getting 4 in the first 45 minutes, and then ended up changing to subsurface and got a few more. Then pumped some dirty, and here we are. Yeah.